welcome to the video. So today, as you can probably ascertain from the title, I'm doing another full day of eating.
Yeah, baby!
If you follow me on Instagram or TikTok, you know I'm about 3 weeks into my current diet and it's going pretty well. My current calories are roughly around 2,000, 2,500 depending on how hungry I am that day. I've already made about 3 videos like this in the past, so I've had to really be creative to make sure I don't just recreate the same meals as usual. I've got a very busy day today. I've already been to the gym and done my workout, and now I've got to go and clean my parents' holiday home before coming back and finally moving out. So these meals have got to be quick, fast, tasty, low calorie and high protein. So let's get to breakfast. Ba-da-ba! Now, if you watch the channel, you know that I do love my oatmeal, and I think it's something that gets very underused when it comes to dieting. It's very filling, it's high fibrous, it's slow digesting, and it's definitely a great way to start the day, even if you are dieting. I know nowadays a lot of people are scared of carbohydrates. I make it a little bit smaller than I usually do, so I've got 80 grams of oatmeal, 20 grams of protein powder, 10 grams of chia flax seeds, and 100 grams of blueberries. So cheers. So that is breakfast done. I say breakfast, it is actually almost 12 o'clock. When I'm dieting, I do like to eat breakfast a little bit later as it makes the dieting a lot easier. And tip number 2, once again, I don't think it's said enough, is to eat all your food with like a tiny spoon. That makes your bowl of oatmeal 500 spoonfuls rather than if you have like a regular big spoon, it's like 4 spoonfuls. Little things make a big difference. Anyway, I best get off so I can start my cleaning. So I'll see you guys for lunchtime. So this is something I made yesterday. So if you're someone who's in a rush, this is a healthy option for lunch you can have that's super easy and quick to make. All I did is roast in the oven some sausages and broccoli, then mixed in some peas, onions and spinach with these low carb skinny noodles. Now, I've never actually had these before and I don't understand how it works. This whole package is like 12 calories, so it's a really good way to bulk up your meal, but I'm not sure what they're going to taste like. Seasoning is something that I think most people usually mess up when they're dieting. You can make a really healthy meal and then pour loads of sauce and cream or butter, and the butter or sauce will be just as much calories as the meal, so you really have to be careful when using sauces. I personally use salt, pepper, balsamic vinegar, and then my good old favorite sriracha sauce. A good serving is probably like 20 calories. And of course, I never go anywhere about my nutritional yeast. It's obviously a great source of B12, also super high in protein. Kind of gives like a cheesy texture, so I like to put it on most of my meals. Right, let's give it a try. These noodles look really bizarre. They taste a bit slimy, to be honest, but they definitely bulked up my meal, which is basically just vegetables and sausage. As this whole thing's like 550 calories and 50 grams of protein, which is definitely gonna keep you full and satisfied and give me the energy to finish cleaning this place. So that is lunch done. In hindsight, I probably wouldn't have eaten those noodles cold. They did taste like worms, but yeah, I definitely feel a bit full and satisfied. Normally, I'd probably eat my edamame soy noodles, which if you watch the channel before, I eat all the time. But as I said, today we're eating foods that I haven't eaten in a video before. Anyway, I've got to finish cleaning this house, so I'll see you guys for dinner. Hey guys, so I just got back. It is a lot later than I anticipated. The day has gotten away from me, but as I said at the start of the video, all the meals today are going to be quick and easy, and I've already whipped up my dinner. It is called Pete's Pizza, and look at these bad boys. This is something Loretta and I have been having lately, and I literally love it. It's basically a wrap, but made into a pizza. So you just get the tortilla, you put some tomato puree, some nutritional yeast, and then whatever toppings you want. I usually go courgette, mushroom, tomato, and then I put lots of tofu on for the extra protein. Each pizza wrap is around 330 calories, around 25 grams of protein, and cook them in the oven for around 20 minutes at 180 Fahrenheit, and you're good to go. And like the small spoon trick I told you this morning, if you eat this with a knife and fork, it literally takes ages to eat. So I've got basically 2 pizzas to sit through. And yeah, you get, I don't know if it'll focus, it's too dark. Get these nice crispy pizza bites. Oh my God, yes. So I'm gonna enjoy these, watch Always Sunny in Philadelphia, and yeah, maybe I'll have something else, I'm not sure yet. Hey guys, so that's going to be it for the video. I'm finishing the day with a mocha. I feel like I've only eaten around 1800 calories, which is pretty low, but as I'm on a diet, another day I might be a bit hungry and I might eat 2500 calories, so I've kind of got to listen to my body. On days that I feel hungry, I can eat a little bit more, because on days when I'm not as hungry, I eat a little bit less, if that makes sense. Anyway, if you want to follow my diet journey, I do post more regularly on TikTok and Instagram. Otherwise, that's going to be it for the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.